It's another update from Gearset. I'm here at Gearset HQ with the rest of the team, where we're just taking a little bit of a break having shipped the cloud version. So you don't need a Windows PC to use Gearset anymore. We're working in any browser, so you can see I'm demoing this on a Mac, but you can use your phone, your tablet, whatever it is you use. To get started, go to gearset.com and click on Try It Now, and this will take you to the cloud version. You log in with your Salesforce credentials, so you don't need to create an account with us. I'll just drop in my developer org and grab the password from my password manager because I have no idea what it is. Click login, and that will take me back to Gearset. So you'll see it's really similar to the desktop app that we already had, but there's some subtle differences. So you can now manage any organizations. These are organizations that you have authorized Gearset to deploy to, and in the future there'll be organizations that you can take metadata backups of or do continuous integration between, so set up scheduled deployments. You can also see the deployment history, so these are any deployments that I've done in the past using Gearset. Haven't done any yet, so let's get started. Just click new deployment, select the source. This is the organization that I've done my work in. For this demo I've just created a new Apex class called email trigger handler, and I want to deploy to some staging environment, let's say. So I'm just going to use another developer org, but of course we support production and sandbox. Drop in the email address, click authorize, and this takes me back to Salesforce to go through the OAuth flow. So again, you're giving your password to Salesforce, not to us. Salesforce then comes back to Gearset and allows us to do the deployment. So I'm going to customize this. Just in the interest of speed, I'll only compare Apex classes and profiles because I know that that's what I've changed. Click compare now, and behind the scenes what we're going to do is download the metadata from the source organization and the target organization and then do a comparison. We don't just compare them as simple text files, instead we're comparing them as the actual objects, so profiles will get broken up into the individual components. So let's see what work I've done. I've created a new Apex class, this email trigger handler, and I can see any of the profile changes that have happened because of that new class. And then I've got some deleted objects as well. So again, I've deleted a class and I can see any of the profile changes. So let's grab that just to show how easy it is to make a destructive change, and let's also grab this new class. I click next to get a summary of what's about to happen, and this is also where you'd get any dependency warnings. So if you'd brought along a class that relied on an S object, you'd get warned here. Click deploy now, and behind the scenes what we do is build up a custom package.xml, upload that to Salesforce. Salesforce runs all the tests, and then when it's finished your changes have been deployed. So you can see that was successful. I can run a new comparison, or I can jump up in my deployment history and look at what I've done. I can download the report, share that with the rest of my team. So that's the hosted version of Gearset. You can try it now today for free. Give it a go, let us know how you get on. Thanks.